So as most of the Gromies know, the CL crew met up for MJ BizCon out in what we thought would be warm and sunny Las Vegas. It was sunny, but not so warm. So we had to warm up and spark up with a group sesh, see some sights, even some I recognized from my trip to Hawaii, like ABC stores down on Fremont Street. And I know the homie Craze was geeked to check out Count's Customs. But hands down, the best part was the whole crew getting together. So the first night we ate at Guy Fieri's.
One yours.
Here we go. Oh my God! Watch out! Thank you. Chef gets served last.
Where I had to show him a thing or two by turning these fajitas into fajita nachos in front of our waitress, who was the best part about the whole place. The next target for the taste buds was breakfast. Egg Slut, a place we heard a lot about, and a place with a lot of wait. A lot of waiting in line, that is. So you know your boy had to order one of everything on the menu, including their signature, the Egg Slut. And it was pretty good, especially considering your boy don't mess with eggs that much unless they scramble with some hot sauce. But I have to say, it was pretty good. It was even better with a suggestion from Mrs. P. And you know your boy is very whip game proper capable, so we mixed it all together, made a hacking captain, and shout out to Mrs. P for the tasty suggestion.
Miss P knew the deal. Mrs. P knew the deal. She's like, it's good, but...
And you know we had to see what the breakfast sandwich was talking about?
I would go one.
Making a mess.
How was it?
Good though.
So for the main event, it was a Korean barbecue joint that was calling our name every single time we had to go up to our hotel room. Probably the best part about the Rio Hotel, because fuck the Rio. And luckily, the homies Craze, Wink, and Tori trusted your boy the chef to, go into this meal, this experience of flavor with an open mind and an open palate, which is probably the two greatest tools in this whole world. Because the more open-minded you are, the more likely you are to have an absolutely memorable experience like we had eating together around the table with really all foreign flavors that we just got to taste and enjoy. And enjoying the flavors of life is probably one of the best things about it. Especially when you get to have what I like to call a foodgasm. Like I'm having right about here.
What's his name?
His name?
Yeah.
Wink.
Wink.
Wayne.
No,
This dude
Like-
Wink though. And this is where the wink 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 comes from. Sorry, y'all. Another food gathering.
Bro, it's so good. Chapters when live. Okay, ready?
Yep. Great. Thank you. Try.
It doesn't taste like
Yeah.
What is it? She doesn't know. She doesn't say that.
Okay, your turn. Oh, he likes it.
So thank God for good food, good times, good people. Special thanks to Tori, because without her, you guys wouldn't see the recipes or me grub on Vegas. And cheers to Vegas, the crew, until the next time we get to make memories like these.